Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix device configuration manager error event ID 131 on Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. Go to the command prompt, type here cmd, right click on cmd, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Then type here some commands step by step. Then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, type all this one by one. All commands available on my video description. Then close this window. Press on Windows key, then type here change device installation settings. Here you select second option, then click on save changes. After that, close this window, then go to the register editor, open this option, click on yes, then extend HKUI local machine, extend software, extend Microsoft. In the search Windows, you can see here Windows, extend Windows. In this you can see here current version, double click on this. In this you search device metadata, you can see here device metadata, double click on this. Come to the right side, you can see here device metadata, right click on this, then click on modify. Here copy and paste path. This path available on my video description. Copy and paste here. Then click on OK. After doing this, close this window. Then restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.